Hello, welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel Logic Medico. So what is this expression? If you see this child, he has got his eyebrows raised and his eyes widened, his nose especially is widened, and is biting his teeth. So this is an expression of anger. It's a facial expression. Humans are very expressive animal. So whatever is their emotional status, it will be expressed even in the body language over here. There is making a fist out of his hand. He's closing his right hand and putting it in front of the face as though he's about to punch. So this is an expression of anger. So which muscle is involved in anger? Especially this dilated nostrils are there, no? Which muscle is involved? That is what we are going to see here. So what is the meaning of that muscle? And the muscle will be dealt under origin, insertion, nerve supply, and action. So this muscle name is called Dilator naris. So the location of these muscles is near the nostrils. So as the name suggests, it will dilate the nostrils. So these openings which you are able to see is the nostrils. So this muscle name is Dilator naris, location nostrils. Coming to the meaning of the Dilator naris. Dilator means widens or widening. Naris means nostril, so it will widen the nostril, therefore it's called like that. This muscle encircles the nostril area and participates in widening it. So muscle will be dealt under the following heading: origin, insertion, nerve supply, and its action. So the origin of this muscle is from this jaw. What is this upper jaw? It's maxilla. And insertion obviously to the nostril, but this cartilage here is called as alar cartilage. It's a nasal cartilage. So ultimately when it pulls this nasal cartilage towards us, this orifice will become widened like this. It will get dilated. Therefore it's called dilator naris. So origin, it is from the maxilla. That part of the maxilla over the lateral incisor teeth. The exact location is being mentioned here over the lateral incisor. Insertion is obviously to the nose. What is this cartilage I just now told? It's a alar cartilage of the nose. Nerve supply, buccal branch of facial nerve. Facial nerve is nothing but 7th cranial nerve. So this buccal branch is a branch which runs over the cheek. So what is the cheek? This area next to the nose and lips, this area or lateral area will be called as a cheek. So that nerve will be called as buccal branch of facial nerve. That will supply the cheek area and also this nostril area. So dilator naris is supplied by buccal branch of facial nerve. Action, you already know that it dilates the nasal aperture or the nostrils. Thereby, this is an expression of anger. So damage to this muscle can result in what? Can you guess? So even if you are angry, it will not be expressed on your face. So that is loss of expression of anger. It appears like as though you have not got anger to whatever word said and done. Kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you once again.